Guys, what is up? Welcome back. Upside down this time. I hope this goes good. Oh gosh, I feel like this might not go good though. I'm staying up here. You guys are going down to the river down here. Let's hope it comes back. See you guys. Be safe. I'm gonna walk down a little bit with you, I guess. Man, I really don't want to get my shoes all muddy if it gets stuck. Okay, let's see how this is gonna be, guys. See ya. That is the nastiest, stinkiest crude water I've ever seen. Luckily, we're going to drive a little ways back to clean those tires off. Oh, it's all black looking. That's gross. Oh, it stinks. Oh yeah, the whiff got me. The smell got me, guys. Whoa! There's a stick that went up in the axle. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I touched some of the poo mud, guys. Ew. Poo mud. Yeah, I gotta go find some fresh water now. We gotta go find some water now, guys. Let's go this way. We've never been that way. Oh no. Ew. Guys, that spot don't look any better, man. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, there's a baby right there. This place is getting kind of creepier the further I go in. Look, you guys see that? There's a baby. Oh no, poor baby. I'm sure there's a camp somewhere. Oh, here's a new trail, guys. Let's try this way. You guys like it on the truck point of view? I know I gotta secure it better, guys. I'm sure that's pretty bouncy. If you guys are doubting the GoPro 10's stability right now, don't. Go check out my X-Max point of view video. The way I got it strapped on my crawler right now, it's not too good. I don't know what we found here, guys. One of these beavers. Uh-oh. Truck down, camera down. Oh man, I reversed and got poo mud on me. Ew, that's the grossest. Poo mud. Okay, let's keep rolling. I guess we're gonna have two trail video point of view things. You guys go this way. I'm gonna go this way. Nope, that stick got me good. There we go, there we go. I guess it didn't get me, it got you guys. Let's keep on going. I didn't check the GoPro lens, hopefully it's still clear. Can you guys still see? Is it good? Guys, I wish I could edit these videos together, man. I really do. This water looks nasty down here too. Welcome back, guys. Hey, you did a loop over there and it was so nice. So you did a loop. I don't know. I think I'm going to end this video. Whoa, that was big stuff. Well, we're going to end this video soon, I guess. What time do we got here? I don't even know. Guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, it means a lot to us. I'm gonna go try to find a spot by the Colorado River. If not, it might be a different day. Actually, all these videos are gonna be a different day for you anyway, so it doesn't matter. Maybe tomorrow or the next day I'll go find a good spot by the river and not this one. This one's more of a hiking trail for old people. What happened? What happened? Later, dudes. Thanks.